Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Subway points from your receipt. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is join the Subway MVP Rewards program. So make sure you sign up for the Subway MVP Rewards program. Without an account, you won't be able to claim the points. Then from here, find the claim code on your receipt after making a purchase in store. You can check the bottom or top of your receipt. You'll either see a QR code or a claim code made up of letters and numbers. And we might need to wait a short period if needed. So sometimes you may need to wait up to 48 hours after the purchase for the code to become valid in the system. Step 4, enter the code using the app or go to the website. So open the Subway app or go to the Subway website, log into your MVP Rewards account, find the option to claim points or enter receipt code. Type in the code or scan the QR code. Then points will be added to your account. So once submitted, the points from your receipt should be credited to your rewards account. This might happen instantly or take a short while.